Hello productive masters, I'm gonna be showing you how to host a static website on GitHub pages, and I'm going to be using the files that I've made in the previous sessions. One on one, I'll take you through the process, and first of all I have to add some files and I'll paste them right now. These are the file.css and the assets, and then I'll be modifying the index.html, but let me modify everything in the VS Code. I'm gonna be opening my terminal. After that I code, then dot. So right now what I'm doing is that I'm structuring my files. So this is how my new index.html looks like. Alright, it is different from the previous session that I did. So if you need the files, I'll paste the link to the GitHub account, and then you can clone my repository. Alright, so to just go show you a preview of how my index.html, and it is strictly an index.html. Alright, when you are hosting a static website on GitHub pages, it has to be strictly index.html. That is what the GitHub pages recognizes as the main HTML file. Right? Others you can call them how you want, but the main one should be index.html. So I'm gonna be opening it, and as you can see, this is how my website looks like. My web page, for that matter, so it looks like. And as I've said, you can get the link to the code to the GitHub account that I'll post in the description below. Right? So I need to open my terminal here. I need terminal. Then, so I'm gonna be git status, and what you can see that the index.html has been modified, file.css has been added, and all that. So I'll git add all changes. Yes, what about git status? So git commit hosting a static web page. Now everything is okay. I need now to push the project. Git push origin. You can use this one, origin main, or you can remove the u, but the -u comes as you are trying to push the project online for the first time. But you can use the git push origin main. It will still be pushed to GitHub. Oh, I don't have internet, so I'll activate my internet. Let me just repeat the command. Right, now my project has been pushed online. So if I go to my GitHub account, alright, I'm now in my GitHub account. I need to go to my repository. Oh, this is my repository. So what it is saying is that hosting a static website has been added right now. There's a folder in here. Go to settings, on this top bar here. You go to settings. After that, you come to this pages on this sidebar. You click that one. Is this page that will appear. GitHub Pages is designed to host your personal, organization or project pages from a GitHub repository. For me, I need to deploy from a branch, no problem. So my branch that I'm currently using is the main. Alright, and then for this one you just hit save. You just use the default save. If I save it, it's a custom domain. I will not focus on that for now. So if I keep up, after some minutes, you will see that a link will appear on this below this GitHub Pages. So I'll keep on refreshing until the page appears. Maybe you can wait for about 2 or 3 minutes, or even yet 10 minutes if it delays for long. Here it is. You can see GitHub Pages is designed to host here. Your site is live at maxfeaturepyrotech.io. First repo, last deployed. That if I visit the site, you will see that it is the same page or I have actually made in my local folder. That is how you host a website in GitHub. First, you need to push your project on GitHub. Secondly, you need to go to your settings, go to pages, and then you can configure as how I have described it, and then your page will be hosted. And make sure your main page is called index.html strictly. If you post any other HTML page, it will not go live. Alright, so for the next episode, now I'll be moving into collaboration. Now I'll be showing you how to collaborate with other people. So stay tuned and see you on the next one.